Good day, students. How are you today? I am a teacher of school number 21. My name is Gulshara Sholamanova. Today I am going to teach you subject English, grade 8, and the theme of our lesson, natural disasters. Before beginning our lesson, I ask you to be very active during the lesson. Okay, so let's start our lesson. At first, I introduce learning objectives for this lesson. Understand the main points in text on a growing range of unfamiliar general and curricular topics, including some extended texts. Use infinitive forms after a limited number of verbs and adjectives. Use gerund forms after a limited variety of verbs and prepositions. Use some prepositional verbs and begin to use common phrasal verbs on a growing range of familiar general and curricular topics. And the lesson objectives for this lesson, you will learn to learn about natural disasters, to listen and read for gist and specific information, and to learn phrasal verbs with give. Now I ask you to pay attention to these pictures. Look at these pictures. What can you see? Yes, in these pictures you can see natural disasters. About this task we are going to speak today. Before, look at the new words and repeat after me carefully, okay? Drought, flood, earthquake, tsunami, hurricane, tornado. Is it clear? Okay. Now, next task, we have a text. At first, look at your books and listen carefully the text.
Exercise 2, page 10. Change the world through engineering. Dream Big and the ASCE Foundation. We need to raise awareness so that we can grab those brilliant minds and show them that through engineering they can change the world. Menze Pehlivan, PhD, PE, MASCE, Civil Engineer. In 1999, a huge earthquake hit Turkey. Almost 18,000 people died and many more were injured when thousands of buildings collapsed. But this terrible event changed the life of 13-year-old Menze Pehlivan in a different way. She wanted to help prevent these terrible tragedies in the future, so she decided to become a civil engineer specializing in earthquake safety. Although her teachers said only men could be engineers, she worked hard and achieved her goal. Her inspirational story is just one of many in Dream Big, a film made by the American Society of Civil Engineers, ASCE. What is Dream Big about? The ASCE Foundation released Dream Big in 2017, and it's about the clever ways that civil engineers find solutions to problems people around the world face every day. We learn about the challenges that engineers face building some of the most amazing structures in the world, from the huge skyscrapers in Dubai to water cleaning projects in Africa. This fascinating film will inspire young people to consider a career in civil engineering.
Okay, now next task we have exercise number 3. Read the text again for questions 1-3 and choose the correct answer A, B or C. The first question, what was the result of the 1990s earthquake in Turkey? Okay, Next question. Why did Manzar Pehlivan work hard? Okay. The third question. What is the purpose of the Dream Big film? Okay. Thank you, pupils. Now, look at these pictures. Today we are going to talk you about phrasal verbs with give. As you know, a phrasal verb is a phrase or expression that consists of verb plus another word or two, like this. For example, verb plus adverb, verb plus preposition, or verb plus adverb or preposition. Now look at the pictures. In this picture you will see phrasal verbs with give. Give in, give back, give off, give over, give away, give off, give out. Okay, next task, we have an exercise. Number 4, read the box, then complete the sentences in these words. Okay, now the first sentences. Can you please give these leaflets about raising money for the poor? Okay, next sentence. Marjan, can you give the pencil you borrowed yesterday? Okay, the third question. I gave my project last week. The fourth question. Plants give lots of oxygen. The fifth question. Farida is giving her old clothing to a charity shop. Okay, thank you, pupils. I'll give you home task. Your home task, write a short email to your friend about the Dream Big film. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.